Hello there, it is Lord Cybertruck, and I'm here today with a bunch of people, and he's stuck. Um, this is going to be a virtual tour of the Intercosmos program's Airbus A380-800, the only model made, but, so, without further ado, did I say it right? This is the cockpit, and that's just, I don't know, person who's interested in the cockpit or something. And right beneath here is the first class seating area right inside this little thing. It's a suite, as they call it. First class suite, 2 beds and a nice chair. And these are just business class style seats. And these are restrooms, and behind this curtain here, the iron curtain, wow, is the food carts and the kitchen area. And this room here that I'm aiming at is to keep to like monitor the power output of the engines, not an actual thing in aircrafts. Well, I mean it is, but not a separate room. This is my personal bedroom, my nice bed, and these are curtains to make it so people can't look at me while I'm sleeping. And this here is my bathroom. Oops, I'll have to seat up. Where I shower and, go to the bathroom. This here is, well, if, let's just say, any people who are unauthorized to plane controlled it, to stop them and stuff, except, well, whatever. This is my office here with my piano. And, oops. Nice painting here, and the desk. This is the cargo hold, where the not packages, the luggage is kept for safekeeping, all the way down there. And this is the cargo door. Right here is a meeting room. These are just economy class style seating. These are offices. And of course, behind there is the kitchen area once again. That's pretty much it for this aircraft. I appreciate that you came to watch this. And not too long ago, I think, I don't know, September or something, I don't know, I built this. And you can tell it's an Airbus, Airbus A380 because it has a full second deck, and because of the winglet style. The most common 747 just has basically a triangle at the edge here, and this is kind of, well, I guess I could put an image of it. That's what I'll do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I appreciate that you came to watch this, and have a nice day or night wherever you live.